Welcome to Everyday Cooking. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected, and it is absolutely free. Today's recipe is layered rice pudding. For the first layer, we are going to use rice flour. Take 1/4 cup of rice flour. To this, add a pinch of salt, a cup of milk, add little by little and give a nice mix. No lump should be formed, so mix this properly. Now let us add 1/2 cup of condensed milk. This is ready. Now let us transfer this into another pan and start stirring this. Stir this continuously until it is thick. Once it is thick, switch off the flame and allow it to cool. Don't overcook. This is fine. We can switch off the flame. Take a bowl, spread some butter in it. Now let us transfer our rice mix into this. Level it. Our first layer is over. Level it properly and allow it to cool. Let us move on to the second layer. Our second layer will be chocolate mousse. For this, we need 1/4 cup of compound chocolate. To this, add 4 tablespoons of butter and 3 tablespoons of fresh cream. Switch on the flame and stir this continuously till it is smooth. The chocolate has melted and it is quite smooth. Now you can switch off the flame and allow it to cool. Next, we'll take 1/2 cup of whipping cream. Let us start whipping this. Make sure the whipping cream is very cool and beat till stiff peaks are formed. This is almost done. Now let us add the chocolate mix into this. Mix this well till it is smooth and thick, and once it is thick, place it in the refrigerator for at least an hour. By the time our rice layer is also ready, it is quite cool now. We can top it with some tutti frutti, and our mousse is also ready. Spread the mousse over it. Shape it and place it in the refrigerator for another half an hour. For the next layer, let us whip another 1/2 cup of whipping cream. Beat it till stiff peaks are formed. This is perfect. Spread this on top of the second layer. These layerings are ideas. You can use different combinations for this. Let us top it with some assorted nuts. Refrigerate this for another 1 hour and serve chill. Thank you for watching. We'll join you in another interesting recipe. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.